Hi. So here we have let fx be a quadratic polynomial in x such that f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. Now for fx to be greater than 0 or f of x to be always greater than or equal to 0, we know the discriminant should be equal to 0. Fx is either 0 or greater than 0. Fx never becomes less than 0. So the graph that we'll get for fx will look something like this. This will be the graph for fx. It is either 0 or always greater than 0. This always is positive. Y-axis will be somewhere here, let's say. So this is fx. The value of y will be either 0 or always greater than 0. And we are given f of 2 is 0. That means the graph cuts the x-axis or touches the x-axis at x equals to 2. This is x1, this is x2. So if we have graph like this, it means the discriminant of this quadratic should be equal to 0. Discriminant should be 0. But in any case, we don't need the discriminant here. Any quadratic function can be written as alpha times or a times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. This is how you can write any particular quadratic expression, right? So we know one root of this quadratic is 2, and since d is equal to 0, that means both the roots are 2 actually. Both the roots are 2. So the quadratic expression becomes a into x minus 2 into x minus 2 whole square. So this is the quadratic function that we have. F of x is alpha times of x minus 2 whole square. Okay? Fine. Now it's given that f of 4 is 6. So using this we can calculate the value of a. If f of 4 is 6, substituting x equals to 4 here, we'll have a times of 4 minus 2 whole square is equal to 6. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, so a comes out to be 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. So the value of a comes out to be 3 by 2. Hence the quadratic expression becomes f of x is 3 by 2 times of x minus 2 whole square. It should be whole square. Okay. Now we need to calculate the value of f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 will be obtained by substituting x equals to minus 2 here. So we have minus 2 is minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square becomes 3 by 2 into 4 square is 16. So 16 by 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24. Hence, the value of f of minus 2 is option A, 24 over here. So that's it for this question. Thank you.